6 o'clock, disturbing allegations tonight against a group of deputized civilians who are supposed to keep the peace on one of New York City's most iconic but most isolated communities. The public safety officers on Roosevelt Island now being sued by the family of a young man claiming they nearly beat him to death for no reason. Eyewitness News reporter Stacey Sager is at the scene with the story. Stacey.
Well, Bill, we're now being told these officers thought this man was trespassing. His family says he committed no crime, and still he was beaten so badly he hemorrhaged into his lungs. Now, a lot of people around here feel this is really part of a pattern of abuse from a public safety department that needs more oversight.
They hurt my child, unbelievable, inside and out, hurt me inside and out.
Monica Vega speaking for her son today, 20-year-old Anthony Jones, who says he's still too weary to talk about what happened, but his lawyer says it was only 2 weeks ago. Anthony just waiting for a friend behind this building on River Road when suddenly, for no reason at all, the Roosevelt Island public safety officers, whose job it is to protect this community, instead rushed up on Anthony and attacked him.
He was maced. He was beaten, he was kicked, he was punched.
And they say Anthony had committed no crime. He had cuts to his face, broken teeth, and fractured ribs, yet he was handcuffed to his hospital bed for 5 days after his lungs filled with blood.
My son almost died in their hands for nothing at all. He's not a criminal. He doesn't have a record.
Roosevelt Island is not policed by the NYPD. These peace officers, who can write tickets and make arrests, they're appointed by a state-run authority called the Roosevelt Island Operation Corporation. And they had no comment on Anthony's case, but ask anyone around here and they'll tell you
what happened to Anthony Jones on Roosevelt Island is not an isolated incident. This has been going on for years.
With no accountability, but not if Anthony's mother can help it.
I want them out of my community, away from my children.
And she wants a criminal investigation.
Because if I wouldn't be standing here right now, I could have been planning a funeral for my son. Now, once again, the state-run authority in charge of these peace officers had no comment today because of the pending litigation. As we said, this is not the first complaint like this. Anthony's attorney has 3 other cases that he says are similar. There's no civilian complaint review board. There's no internal affairs for this department. Basically, they're policing themselves. We're live in Roosevelt Island. I'm Stacey Sager, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.